This video is a step-by-step guide to show you how to check in online for your Carnival cruise. We loved every second of our hosted Carnival cruise, so I thought I would show you step by step how to check in online, which is going to save you time when you arrive for your Carnival cruise. So let's start by opening your computer browser or your phone, which I'm using here, and go to carnival.com. And on the home page, you're going to need to either log in or create an account if you haven't already created an account. Go to the upper right-hand corner of the homepage and click on the Login button. You'll see this new page open. So I've already created an account, but I'm going to show you how to create your account. Scroll down and click on Create Account, and then scroll back up and click on Create Account. Here I'm going to make a demonstration account so that I can show you step by step how to make your own. So first of all, you type in your email address, and then create a password. Now it's really important to read how the password needs to be created. In this case, it's 8 characters and at least 3 of the other characters mentioned there. And it can't contain any parts of your email address. Then click on Create Account. And this new page will open. Here we're going to complete our profile. Fill out your first name and last name. And enter your date of birth. Clicking on each field will bring up a drop-down. Select your gender. I'm selecting my country here, which is Australia. And now enter your phone number, country code, area code, and then your number. Select any options here that you would like, but you must select that you accept the terms and conditions. Now click Submit. And then this new page will open up. Well done, you've signed up to create an account. Your next step is to enter your cruise booking number. Click on Yes. And this new page will open up. And now we're going to enter our booking number for our cruise. Go to your confirmation of your cruise booking and you'll find your 6-digit code, your booking number. I found my booking number in my Carnival Cruise confirmation email. You can see here that I can find my booking number in several different places, including my email subject and also within the email. Enter your 6-digit booking number into the field and click on Add this booking to my profile. Now you're all set. The next time that you log in, it will bring up your cruise. So you should still be logged in, but just in case you're not, let's start from the beginning. This is a screen recording of when I actually checked in for our cruise, so I'm going to delete my details for privacy and just type over the top of them. To log into your account, You just enter the email and password that you set when you created your account. And now you'll be able to see your cruise. There are a few things that you can set up for your cruise while you're logged in, but we're just going to concentrate on checking in for this video. And now we're starting to check in to our cruise online. Click on Check In Guests. And this new page will open. Read the information and see what travel documents you will need. Once you're sure you've got everything you need, click on Get Started. So it's good to know that you can save as you go along, just in case you can't complete it all at once. When you log in, you can return to it. Click on OK, got it. You'll see this page. So this page is basically asking if you want to check in all of your cruise party together. And here I have my name and the people that I'm cruising with, and they're all selected because I'm going to check us all in at once. Click on Let's do this. And this page opens up. On this page, I'm going to fill out my contact details. And here I'm going to select my country, which is Australia. My address. My postal or zip code. And my mobile phone number. Enter your mobile phone number in the mobile phone field and click on Save and Continue. Now I'm going to select my other guests as they have the same address as me and click on Apply to Guests. Now this will check everyone in together and then you're done. It's that easy. You're all checked in and all ready for your wonderful Carnival cruise. Have an amazing time on your cruise. I really hope this video helped you to plan your cruise. Please let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and have a great time. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.